Good day, everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to solve linear equations algebraically. And we are going to start with an example. And the example that we will start with is 3x plus 4 is equal to 13. Now, if we are going to solve for x, we want to isolate x. We want to get x all by itself. So we have to try to get rid of the 3, and we have to try to get rid of the plus 4. So if we're going to try to get rid of the plus 4, we're going to do the opposite of it, which is subtract 4. And an equation being like a balance, if we do it to one side, we do it to the other. So our first step is to subtract 4 from both sides. When we do that, 4 subtract 4 is equal to 0, 13 subtract 4 is equal to 9, and we are left with 3x is equal to 9. Now, even though we don't see it inside here, the operation between the 3 and the x is multiply. So if we want to rid ourselves of multiply by 3, we do the opposite and divide by 3. And an equation is like a balance. If we do it to one side, we do it to the other to maintain balance. And when we do that, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 1 times x is equal to x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And our equation is solved. Let's do another example. Let's solve 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. Same process, really. We have to try to isolate or get x all by itself. First step, we're going to do the opposite of subtract 3, which is plus 3. Equation is like a balance. Doing it to one side means we must do it to the other side. And when we are done, we have 2x is equal to 8. Again, there's a math operation in between here. It's multiply. So the opposite of multiply by 2 is dividing by 2. And equations like a balance, so we divide by 2 on both sides. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 times x is equal to x. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And we've solved this equation. We've solved for x. Let's do another example. And our next example would be 5x is equal to 15. Now we've kind of already seen how to solve this one. The opposite of multiplying by 5 is dividing by 5. And again, an equation is like a balance. If we do it to one side, we better do it to the other to maintain balance. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x is x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Last example. We have x divided by 4 is equal to 2. This one's a little bit different than what we've done in the past, because we've got to divide by 4, but the process is no different. The opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. And equations like a balance. If we multiply by 4 on one side, we better make sure we do it to the other side to maintain balance. 4 divides by 4 once. 1 times x is x. And 4 times 2 is equal to 8. And we've solved all 4 of these equations algebraically.